Around the globe, people are experiencing tough times. Politics, economic struggles, and quality of life concerns are at an all-time high. Political scandals, poor economies, limited work opportunities, and violence are all too common. Yet, amidst these challenges, there's room for change, but remember, the power to change your life lies in your hands. Have you ever considered a fresh start? A place where opportunities abound, a place like Canada? Picture it. Landing in the vibrant city of Toronto, home to over 2 million residents. This bustling metropolis, thriving on diverse economic activities, welcomes you with open arms. From food production to energy generation, opportunities flourish, ready for your skills and talents. But let's not sugarcoat it. Challenges lie ahead. Mastering English, adapting to a new environment, and navigating the impacts of artificial intelligence on the job market might seem daunting. Yet, remember, these hurdles are not insurmountable. They are stepping stones on your journey to a better life. In Canada, the chance to redefine your story awaits. Amidst the tranquil countryside or the buzzing urban life, you'll find a place to call home. A place where you can write your success story, a tale of resilience, adaptability, and the relentless pursuit of opportunities. In Canada, your story of resilience and adaptability begins. Language proficiency is key in your new Canadian journey, and we're here to help. Canada Smart Mind offers affordable English and French courses tailored to your lifestyle. At just 20 cents a day, you can dive into the linguistic richness of Canada, from the urban hustle of Toronto to the countryside serenity of Prince Edward Island. Learning expressions in English not only facilitates better interactions but also immerses you deeper into the Canadian culture. With Canada Smart Mind, mastering English and French is just a step away. Want to hear more about life-changing opportunities in Canada? Let's boost this conversation. Your likes, shares, comments, and subscribes help us reach more people. We value your feedback and engage with it daily. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and together let's embark on this journey to a better life in Canada.